Microsoft Launcher not working. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, let's go to the Play Store application and make sure that you have the latest version of the Microsoft Launcher. So as you can see, the app is updated to its latest version on my device. So I'm going to tap on the home screen again and go back. Then make a long press on the home Microsoft Launcher app. Tap on App Info. Now it will lead you to a new page where you can see the option of clear all data at the bottom right corner of the screen. Just tap on it and here you'll be able to see the option of delete all data. Tap on OK. Then go to the app permission and make sure that you have toggled on all the required options for this, such as camera, contacts, files and media, location, microphone and phone. After that, go back and tap on the power button and then tap on reboot, and after restarting your device the issue might be fixed. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.